Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the latest collection of lightweight gold, most beautiful and exclusive women's and ladies bracelet designs along with the weight and price. In this video all our bracelet is 21 carats and 22 carats gold. If you visiting my channel for the first time and if you like my collections, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.